What's up YouTube? It's your boy Mike checking in. Coming to you today with another video. It's early in the morning, hands are still ashy, but CIAA weekend, so I got a schedule today actually. So but I do got one thing I want to bring to you guys. So I've had the Diode Dynamics LED or RGBW lights installed in my car for it's been a while. I mean, I wasn't the first with them, but I got them early on. My buddy Ross from R&L Customs that hit me up, and he actually did the install. I also have the Persky Works or Perky Works demonized. But anyway, so long story short, Diode Dynamics comes with, if you can see there, this touch remote. It's terrible. So I mean, from day one when I got the remote, I had to install a piece of tape. You can see there, yeah, a piece of tape on the back, and you can see I have a battery out right now because you never know when those lights are gonna flash color, some ghost touching. I mean, it's pretty bad. So I actually have it out. So I'm about to turn it on. I'm gonna take you guys outside the car. So let me see. And then I also had the problem. I couldn't even get the battery. To stay down. So I mean, I figured I rigged it up where, you know, everything would stay. But I don't know, maybe my batteries are going dead. But it is pretty bad now. So I'm trying to get the lights on so you can see that they actually do work. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, so let's check it out. Should be able to see the lights are on now.
Alright, make sure it's all set to go right, because I'm going to need that today.
And so, like you can see, I just tapped one button. I'm not even touching it anymore. And you can just see how they're flashing. So, like I'm trying to turn it to green. So normally it works, but something is going on with my remote. But anyway, so we're gonna change that. Let me show you what I got going on. Let's see if you can see that. You see the red light on? It's like it's a constant button press and nothing is being pushed. So the lights are doing what they want to do. So anyway, we're gonna try to fix that because now from Diode Dynamics, I have a package. And in that package, packing slip, I have the new Bluetooth RGBW controller. So you can see it has some input pins, or some output pins actually, and something to install. And what you do is you use your cell phone, you download the Diode Dynamics app, and then you can control everything via Bluetooth with your phone. So I have an Android phone. I just went and grabbed the app. But I'm not sure what it's gonna take to install, but I know Ross is he's an expert at this wiring. So I'm not expecting this to be a super eventful thing. But anyway, I figured I would bring you along for the install of the Bluetooth RGBW controller. And it is supported by both Apple and Android. But all of my wiring comes, you know, out of the light. Everything is, you know, zip tied up, and it runs down through here. Like I said, I've never really seen, you know, everything you did. I just know it's neat. That's all I really asked for. So what I'm assuming is I got to break some zip ties, and hopefully I'm just replacing the touch module with the Bluetooth module. But anyway, so we'll see what that all entails. Alright, so all I'm going to do is start breaking some zip ties, trying to figure out where the module is at. Alright, so quick intermission. I was looking at it because I wasn't sure where my DMI controller was located versus the LED controller, but I was finally able to run follow all the wires and figure out what's going on. So it's actually a pretty simple install, but unfortunately the good tools that I need are at my buddy's garage. So I'm gonna head to Charlotte, and then I'll pick the video up from there. But should be a 10-15 minute install. So like I say, I'll check back in later and we'll finish it up. YouTube, what's up, what's up? So back with that next video. So still got to get the Bluetooth controller installed for my lights. So if you remember, and of course you remember because it's just before this clip, but last Saturday, I was going to attempt to install my Bluetooth controller before CIAA festivities kicked off, or before we rode out for the night. And yeah, I didn't get to that. My boys that came up, they wanted to go out and ride, so I was like, you know what, I'm not going to hold them up. I'm going to go ahead and just plug. I hooked the regular lights up, set them green, and rode. But alright, so it's Friday. I'm back. Remember, I just pulled all this out. Didn't really do anything to it. So, you see the lights are off now. I got the fuse out, but I'm just going to plug the fuse up real quick to make sure everything works. Yep, and they're on. So, there you go. That's how I rode. So, hopefully you can see that, or I'll go to the other side. So, green LED boards and purple demonizers. How I rode for CIAA. But anyway, we're about to go ahead and change that. So, I think I figured out what I need to do. And, first things first, go ahead and plug this fuse again. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So let me show you the tools we need. So hopefully all I need is a nice little crimper. And yeah, I'm using some black tape because I'm not actually sure if this is gonna work. I hope it does. If it does work, I'm gonna come back and resolder and heat shrink all the connections. Now y'all probably like, yeah, he said that now, but he's not gonna do it. I know I would do it because I will make a video doing it. But if you remember from last time, you know, I had all these wires and I was like, what the heck? I was not expecting this. But I think I figured it out. Let me get my light up here so we can see a little better. Engine bay is dirty. Super dirty. Terrible. But I'll get that cleaned up another day. So what I figured out it was, so my touch controller, so with the remote, it is mounted, let's see, it is mounted right there. And if you can see, it has a bunch of wires coming out, of course the colors, green, blue, red, and the white. And then it also has power, but that's where the touch controller is mounted. That is for the actual remote. I'm switching mine off to the Bluetooth, switching it out for the Bluetooth module. So what I figured out and how it works is this just sends the power command. And then when you go to the Bluetooth, or when you go to the lights, before it goes into the diodes, of course you have, you know, all your wires here. So I think I simply need to cut the connector off here. And then if you can see, all the white is going into one, all the red, all the green, all the blue, blah, blah, blah. So I think that I can pretty much do the same with the new module, except for I bought the, I think they're called JST connectors. And it also has these same colors, and I bought 4. Well, luckily, it's 4 wires coming from the headlights. So I should be able to cut, give the module power, and then I'm just going to be splicing all the, well, I'm going to have my individual because I'm using the connectors. And I'm just going to be attaching, you know, the colors to the appropriate color of the JST connector, plugging it into the module, giving the module power. Should be voila. Hopefully. We'll see. But alright, I'm going to go ahead and get the module back out so you can see that. And then hopefully I'll be cutting wires any second. So, alright, I'm back. So I'm just trying to get some more wire to show. So, like I say, the guy that did this install initially was Ross from R&L Customs. Good guy. So, so now we have this, and I'm just going to splice some. repeat that process 3 more times, and then hopefully be ready to get some power and check to see if it works. So I will just skip you guys to when I have everything wired and taped up. Alright, so I just got all the connections wired in. They're all spliced in right here. And then from the Bluetooth module, just plug in the connector harnesses. And then I just cut the power and ground from the touch remote. Put them, this is for the Bluetooth module. So I've already plugged the fuse back up. And so good thing is you can see that my demon eyes on both sides are working. So now I'm going to plug the Bluetooth module in. Oh, and I got some color. And they are blue. So that means that I'm at least getting power. It doesn't say on or off, but I'm at least getting power to everything. So I'm going to grab the remote, get my phone out, and see if I can make it change colors. I have the Diode Dynamics app. So it says main. I've already connected it before. There we go. So you can see that whatever color I choose is changing. And then, I've been waiting on this. There's the factory white. You just literally hit a button in the middle. You can dim it. I like mine full brightness. Let's go back green. True white. I've been waiting on that true white. Other side is doing the same. But there we go. That's a nice blue. I like that blue right there. Alright, so I got it on music sync now. So it should be playing to the music. Unfortunately, because of YouTube copyright, and my channel is actually small, so I'm probably not even affected. I don't know. But it's playing to the beat. I think that is Quavo is Ice Tray. So yep, so yeah, it's blinking to the lights. I got to figure out what's going on with my demon eyes, but those seem to be working just fine. Alright, so I didn't even do anything, but you can see it's working now. Maybe it was just froze. So you can. So I want my demon eyes separate. I never had a problem out of those. So you can make those do whatever. So alright, we're good. So last steps for my camera die is clean these wires up, get that module placed somewhere it's in a safe location, and also the wires that I cut. I'm probably gonna go ahead and take it out. So I'll go ahead and do that, give you guys a quick update, and then I gotta hurry up because my camera is dying. Alright, so I'm done here. Everything is stored in the fuse box. Like I say, I'm gonna come back and solder it, then I can hide it again. One thing I do want to do, my fuse holder last year had melted. I'm gonna turn this music down. So yeah, my fuse holder had melted, so I had to pull it out and just do that. But what I'm actually gonna do is get an actual another fuse holder and just run those two right there. But other than that, hey man, we good to go. So like I say, again, here we are, changing colors, blah blah blah. Any color on the spectrum. Brightness works just fine. True white, back to blue, and for the demon eyes that wasn't working, don't really know what was up with those. I think my remote was going dead, but there we go. So yeah, demon eyes work just fine. So yeah, you can see that. Oh, that looks good. That's a nice combo. But yeah, so everything seems good. So with that said, I will go ahead and end this video. Yeah, so all in all, pretty easy install. Took maybe 45 minutes or so, and I was taking my time. So, alright, peace. I'll holler at you later, YouTube.